Today I'm going to talk about 3 important factors of the pull-up, that if you aren't doing them, you aren't reaching the full benefit of the movement. These 3 things will also unlock your ability to improve faster as well as get stronger. These technique tips will be used and should be used at any width on the bar, whether close together, far apart, intermediate, so on and so forth. Starting with number 1, engaging your shoulders. This is probably the most popular technique tip to the movement because it's probably the most important. What this does is it allows for your back to engage, so you're using more muscles as well as not hurting your shoulders when doing this. In addition, it allows you to progress farther because you're not just using your arms and pulling straight to the bar. Technique tip 2 is don't let your elbows flare out. Technically it's impossible if you're keeping your shoulders engaged, but it's another point at which you can remind yourself to keep your shoulders engaged. If you're keeping your elbows close together, it automatically keeps your shoulders engaged, therefore doing the pull-up correctly. Tip number 3, and the last for the day, is pretty simple and straightforward. Now, since you're keeping your shoulders engaged, your elbows in, you're allowing your range of motion to essentially never end. Now, something that you want to keep in mind in order to build strength and explosion is always pulling higher. If you're doing a regular pull-up incorrectly, without engaging your shoulders, just using your arm, only getting your chin above the bar, you're basically going to run into the bar. Now, if you're doing all these tips correctly, it will allow you to continuously pull, therefore allowing you to never stop progressing. These technique tips will also allow you to add weight to increase your strength while doing these pull-ups. Thank you for watching this video that will increase your range of motion and strength while doing this simple and very effective movement. Consider dropping a like or maybe even subscribing. Peace. Today, all different. You're going to, in order to gain full, I'm going to